We're here in the Creative Kitchen looking at the setup for the finished coat on the coins. It's part of the Granville Estate Flappers project. I have right here the base color, and it's a color called Knight's Armor. It's like a dark gray. This is a custom mix that started off as Knight's Armor, and we added another gray to it, so it's become a custom mix for us. But that's our base. And then you see here I have some Liquitex matte medium. We're going to need this because this matte medium will allow us to make a transparent glaze of this paint so we don't put it on too thick. And you can see here I have a large tray, and there's a small dish of that matte medium in here. And the reason why I like to do that in small amounts is because it's better to, instead of have a large, pint or quart, better to have a little, 6-ounce dish that you can refill often. That way you can clean it out. But I have it inside a dish where, as I pull it out of the cup, I can mix it around in my brush and get that paintbrush loaded evenly. And so that's why I keep it all in the same container. And in here is a combination of the Knight's Armor paint mixed with the Liquitex glaze. And now I've added some water to it, and you can see it's kind of drippy. This is definitely more of like a spray quality than a brush-on quality. But I did that on purpose because, again, we want to make sure that when we're applying this paint evenly, we still don't have such a thick viscosity in the paint that it covers up the tones underneath it. And so here I have a tray of that same mixture. You can see I have a 4-inch foam roller. Now I picked a foam roller instead of a typical textured roller, which would be like our 50-50 polyester wool blend, which would be a typical paint roller. In this case, I've chosen a foam roller, and the reason for that is you can see how smooth it is. We want a smooth finish more than a textured finish. And so, and you'll see this more in the next video, I'm able to kind of load the roller, and then I use this little piece of cardboard here to, again, even out the paint so that this foam roller is loaded evenly. And we'll cover that more in the next tutorial. But this would be the setup for the Granville Estate coins.